Hi there, I'm Thosha Mudley. I'm the founder of Roborabbit-labs. Roborabbit is a company founded on the principle of loving technology and technology loving us back. Um, we are the creators of technology, and the more we participate and put our hearts into it, the more technology will support us and empower us. That's my idea, my heartfelt wish, and that's what I'd like to share with everybody who is open and who is searching for something. Please feel very welcome. And thank you so much for buying this kit. I put a huge amount of love and care into designing it and to assembling all the components and basically every aspect. So I very much hope that you're extremely pleased and that you receive a lot of joy and transformation, and you have a lot of fun with this kit. And I hope to see you again. So take care, good luck, please keep in touch, and let's get started with creating. What's in the kit? In the creativity kit, you would find 6 pieces of felt in different colors of embroidery thread, conductive thread on a piece of cardboard, along with a large needle and 2 office pins, a bag of beads and bells, a bag containing LED sequins, and 2 battery holders. I'm going to show you some projects I've done previously with felt and embroidery thread and conductive thread and electronics. Some of these projects contain other kinds of components, but it's not really about that. It's more about the different formats of project you can do. You can do a free format, so sort of freestanding. You can do flat. You can try to do a 3D one that stands up or stands out. You could do a scene that's sewn onto a background. I've also tried to show different ways of dealing with the electronic components. You can have them exposed, or you can have them covered with pieces of felt, and you can make these fit into your design.